my TED Talk. Today we're going to talk about controversial issues in America.
Generators.
And teeter-totters. Are they really safe for our children? But what if you don't have friends? How are you going to play? You figured it out. Teeter-totters. I need friends.
I have spent most of the day editing this video and have gone back and forth in my mind on whether or not we want to put this one out. If you've been following along with us, you know that we usually post a video every week, and this week we're posting a video every day, which is something that we don't normally do. This is also content that we don't normally share. If you've been following along with us, bear with me as I repeat all of this that we covered in our last video. I think it was on Sunday, the Do Not Make This Mistake. We lost a memory card for our DJI Osmo that had about 2 months worth of memories on it. And when you see what I put out today, you'll see why I was just so bummed with losing this card. Not only was it a ton of B-roll that we loved over the summer, just the beauty, it was also what I have to share with you today. Jim has been working really hard on getting the Revel ready for our 12-month review. I am so excited about that because I have a ton to tell you, and we have a huge modification that we've done to the Revel that I cannot wait for you to see. Here, don't look, okay? We can't wait to show you. Also, because we've been so busy this week, we haven't been traveling in the van. I was actually in Seattle for a couple of days. I just got back last night. I know, right? It gave me a better perspective as to what's happening in the world, and all I'm going to say is that I'm happy to be home. Also, in editing this video today, I've noticed how much that Jim and I have both changed when it comes to the camera. We're a lot more comfortable talking to the camera now. We don't say and, well, I don't say and as so as much as I used to, and I'm just feel like I'm talking to a friend now. And I want to thank all of you for making that happen, because it's through the comment section below that makes me realize that I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to this black thing anymore that says Canon on top. I'm talking to real people, and that just helps put me more at ease, and I'm becoming more comfortable and becoming more myself. Also, you're getting to see a lot more of our real life humor. For those of us that are friends that are watching, you're like, yeah, that's them. But for those of you who don't know us very well, you're starting to learn things like Tim Kim. I mean, yeah, those of you who've become really attached to Tim, be rest assured, not going anywhere. Been hanging out here, just chilling for the past like 5 days or so. Anyway, enjoy what we have to share with you today. If you are just joining us, hit that subscribe button, because I think you'll really like what we have for you in the future. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And as always, comment in the comment section below, because I love sitting here talking to you and just chatting the day away. We'll see you later.
I thought you threw your hat off for a minute there. I was like, what the heck? That was such a hard job to put that up there. No, only joking. I'm only kidding.
We are loaded up with groceries, and as you can see, this is a lot more than we usually buy. We are headed down the road to Bird Creek Campground, and you might be wondering where these two came from or where they've been, but I'm going to explain that a little bit later in the video. We just went and stocked up on some food, which we'll need some extra of that for this trip. Headed around the Turnagain Arm right now, and there's a little bit of wildfire smoke out there, but it's not too bad. Want to say hi, guys?
What's up?
So for wildlife, they have seen a dead rabbit. Bird Creek Campground has 28 spots. And a 7-day camping limit. There's a sign right here that says space available, so we're gonna just pull in and see what we can find. That plan did not work out. The Bird Creek Campground was full. It was a nice little reminder as to why we don't usually use campgrounds as we were driving through there. So now we're headed down the road. I think we're going to head towards Portage and see what they have in the Portage area. Like our plans often do, they changed. Now we are headed into Whittier. We went to a couple of different places in Portage and we didn't have any luck. So they're all full. And I've never been to Whittier. Jim went this winter and he did a little video on what Whittier's like in the winter. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and hit that button up there. Is that how that works? Jim did a video on Whittier in the winter and what it's like to go there when there's snow on the ground. I think it was December or January. I don't know. If you want to check that video out, just click this link up there and it'll take you to Whittier in the wintertime. I'm excited to go. So we paid $13. We're waiting in line now to go through the tunnel to get... How long's the tunnel about?
2 miles.
Okay, so about a 2-mile tunnel. Should be fun. What do you guys think?
I've never been there. Sounds fun.
We'll go check it out. I don't know if there's any camping there. It says that there's a campground there, but with it being Saturday, just go check it out, see what we find.
Choo-choo!
It's kind of creepy.
I know where I'm going to myself probably during the zombie apocalypse.
We pulled into the Whittier campground and it's pretty full. In fact, it's completely full. Went up to talk to the camp host and she's not there. However, this other lady was really nice and told us that that one of the places might be open. She wasn't sure. There's some camp chairs there, but nobody had seen anybody all day, so we didn't want to just pull into their spot and take their spot. Then this really nice lady comes up to us and says, "Hey, are you guys looking for a place?" course we are. And she said, we're leaving in 10 minutes. If you want to just hang out, you can have number 6. And it's perfect because it has a great spot for the girls to put their tents. It's sunshiny, and that goes to show you that patience pays off even when you don't have a plan. And it's a little extra challenging because we have to find a place for tents. So definitely just had to be patient, find nice people, and we're gonna have a good time. We're getting ready to go for a walk. Jim's getting ready to cook dinner. What are you cooking?
Steaks and veggies.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take the kids out of his hair and he's gonna make dinner.
Good weather.
Good weather. Is that what that's his thoughts? Dinner and good weather. 2 most important things to a man. Okay, well, we'll see you later.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet.